Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be replacing the wood grain dash. So if you guys are like me and don't like the look of the wood grain against all the black or white, well, we got a product here by Hansshow that's a direct replacement of that wood grain dash. It's not just a cap to go over the wood grain, but we have this full assembly here that's matte black carbon, and it's really actually a pretty easy installation, and all you really need is just a pry tool, and then that's about it. So this should be really easy. So I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. So here we are replacing the wood grain dash panel finally. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, in order to remove this, what we have to do is use our plastic pry tool here to remove these end caps here on both sides of the vehicle, and then that way we can pry away this panel out. But first, let's go ahead and remove these side pieces. After you remove those side panels here, all you're going to do is put your hand on one side of this wood grain panel and just start lifting up. As you can see, it starts popping out. And just slide it towards you. And just help maneuver it away here. Just like that. And then of course we'll set this aside and put it in the box that the Hansshow assembly came in case you want to replace it in the future. Okay, to install the new one, we're just going to carefully maneuver this in place and line up the clips. Let's just sure the clips are lined up. All you need to do is just press down, and it will just snap right back in place. Make sure we get the other side. That's it. Now pop the side panels in. That's it, guys. That was easy. Took a couple minutes, really, but man, that looks really nice. I'm happy with that. That matte black looks really good. In fact, it matches pretty well with the rear spoiler that the vehicle came with. And I love this, guys. This looks really good. Again, really easy install. So thanks to Hansshow for sending this out. And I'm really happy with it. So if you guys found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more, because we have a lot of other stuff to do to help personalize my Tesla here. And yeah, I'm happy with this. So with that, catch you guys in the next one. See ya.